Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to compare Libby and Kindle. Libby lets you borrow ebooks, audiobooks, and magazines with a library card. It supports offline reading and syncs across devices, while Kindle offers ebook purchases and subscriptions. It works on e-readers and apps. It has a huge library and adjustable reading settings. Now, we will talk about their pricing. Libby is completely free with a participating library card. Kindle app is free, but books or Kindle Unlimited subscriptions cost extra. Kindle devices are sold separately. Let's see the pros and cons of Libby. On the positive side, Libby offers free access, is easy to use, allows offline downloads, and provides a large variety of content through libraries. On the downside, it depends on the library's collection, often has wait lists, and regional availability can vary. Let's see the pros and cons of Kindle. On the positive side, Kindle offers a massive ebook store, great reading devices, and customizable display settings. On the downside, it is a paid ecosystem tied to Amazon services and has limited support for non-Amazon books. Here we will see Libby reviews on Trustpilot. Libby currently holds a low rating on Trustpilot, suggesting that many users are dissatisfied with their experience. Common complaints include issues with borrowing limits, app bugs, and unclear customer support. However, some users still appreciate the convenience of accessing ebooks and audiobooks via a library-based app. Here we will see Kindle reviews on Trustpilot. Kindle has ratings on Trustpilot, with users reporting frequent issues such as device malfunctions, poor customer service, and problems with the Kindle app or ebook purchases, making many customers dissatisfied with their overall experience. If you borrow books from a library, go with Libby. If you buy books and want a dedicated e-reader, go with Kindle. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.